Welcome to
Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the crane. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super duper! That's great! Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super! Awesome! Now let's paint. Excellent! You fixed it! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent! Magnificent! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Great job! There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super! Awesome! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. I knew you could do it! All done! Now help to assemble! Crane! All done! Let's improve the car! You collect Check it out! You're so smart! Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the backhoe. Keep going! Perfect! Well, it all needs to be fixed. The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Keep going. That's great! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Excellent! That's great! Put the patches in the cylinder square. Arrow. You're so smart. Cross. Trefoil. Ellipse. That's great! Connect the pump to the wheel. Perfect! Pump it! Pump it! Keep going! You solved the problem! The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Sorry, I lost my keys. Let's break these locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Wonderful. Plug the wire into the right place. Yellow. Red. Blue. Green. Violet. You solved the problem! Dents, let's level them out. Need to remove the rocks with pliers. Wonderful! Use a hammer to level out the dents. That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. Super! Magnificent! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble backhoe. Keep up the great work! You can upgrade the vehicle!